Okay, yeah. Alright. Everything is nearly. Alright, now I'm gonna plastic this thing. See if after, you know, hours of work. Should turn off these damn lights. Okay. I'll show you here how it's done. Turn off these lights. Show you evil insulation. Okay. Yeah. Alright. Put on the lights. Alright. Now that's how the work is done. So if you can't take the cold, save your soul. Insulate the hole. Okay? You hear it from me first. Oh man, my eyes is burning. Whew. Shit. Y'all hear me, people? If you can't take the cold, save your soul. Insulate the hole. Okay? Handyman. 347-565-8249. Or go to handyman.com and request your services by appointment only. Oh man. Whew.